Yes, today we are diving into the exciting world of another kick-off meeting for SAP. Yes, you heard it right. SAP, the powerhouse behind many of the leading businesses. But wait, we are not just launching a meeting. We are launching a journey filled with business, innovation, and success with GX International Inc. at Muntinlupa City. Are you excited? Tara, let's meet them. GX International is a Filipino pharmaceutical company founded in 1991 by Mr. Rodolfo I. Gracia. As a company, they are committed to serving the Filipino people, but what sets them apart isn't just what they do, it's how they do it, by providing high-quality medicines at affordable prices. As a usual kick-off ceremony, our marketing team conducted fun activities led by Miss Dane and discussions taken care by Miss Charlie Domingo.
Actually, we are a growing pharma company. We wanted to ensure that we attained the highest level of business functionalities of our system, and the management, together with our president, Sir Ron Moreno, really believes in technology that leveraging on it will streamline our business processes and, of course, reduce our manual tasks and reports. We had this innovation contract with Direc that came direct in the picture, and the professionalism and responsiveness of Direc made us affirm our decision to have a partnership with them.
Implementing and delivering Direc's experts.
We are now done with our kick-off meeting, and we are glad that we became an instrument and the chosen one to make their process simplified. But remember, the real magic of today's meeting isn't just what happened in this room. It's driving the partnership between GX International Inc. and Direct Business Technologies Inc. forward for more epic adventure filled with innovation, collaboration, and unstoppable success. Again, I am Vicky, and stay tuned for more updates here at Direct Tales. And remember, with SAP, the future is brighter and you'll be one of the best.
At Direct, we make it easy.